friends, welcome to my kitchen. This is where I teach you easy recipes for everyday cooking, and today I'm going to teach you how you can make a simple version of lasagna. I love lasagna, but I don't always have time to make it during the week. It's kind of a weekend dish, but this one I will teach you how you can make it in about 30 to 40 minutes, and it's going to be just as delicious as lasagna. Pronto? Allora andiamo a cucinare. All right, to start making our lasagna, we need about a pound of ground beef, and I'm just going to start sauteing this. And we don't need to add any olive oil to this because there's plenty of fat in the beef. But what I am going to add is about a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of oregano, and about 4 cloves of garlic. I like garlic. You could add less if you want, but 4 cloves is good for me. And we just want to get all those seasonings incorporated into the meat. Now that our ground beef is cooked, I have an onion that I diced that I'm going to add and saute that for about a couple minutes until it's all translucent. Now that our onions have sauteed, I've added 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. That's just going to help our sauce thicken up. We just want to make sure that's all well incorporated. And now I'm going to add a can of chopped tomatoes with their juices. And we're going to add 3 cups of broth. And we just want this to cook for about 15 minutes before we add our broken up lasagna noodles. Now that our sauce has been cooking for about 15 minutes, I just tasted it for salt, so I did add a little bit more salt, and I cut up about 10 lasagna noodles, and you can just rough cut them, it doesn't have to be perfect. And now we're gonna pour them in here and just kind of stir this around so they're all coated. It will start to now absorb some of this liquid, so we might have to add more broth in, or maybe not. Again, it just depends on how soupy you like it, but we're gonna let this cook. And this should take about, I don't know, 10-15 minutes, depending on the cooking time that your noodle requires. And so we will just watch it as it continues to go along, and I will show you what to do next. All right, so now our lasagna soup is ready, and my daughter's here because she is going to give us her opinion on what she thinks. So we're just gonna scoop it in here. And to be traditional with lasagna, we of course need to add some mozzarella cheese. I'm not gonna put too much because she doesn't like a lot of cheese. And then we're gonna add a little bit of ricotta cheese and of course some Parmesan cheese. So there you go, my dear daughter. Tell me what you think.
Okay.
In the meantime, I will scoop up the next one. How is it?
It's good.
Does it taste like lasagna?
Yeah.
Cool, all right.
Less frothy than what I was expecting.
Oh, okay, good, good. All right, well, my daughter approves, so it must be good. Anyway, I hope you guys give this one a like and try this, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get more easy everyday recipes. And of course, the recipe is listed below. Until next time, ciao, ci vediamo dopo.
Not used to me.